We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive and detailed overview of the Camera Lens Coffee Mug by AmsHub. This product is designed to look like a genuine camera lens, making it a unique and creative coffee mug, especially popular with photographers, filmmakers, and photography enthusiasts. The mug is made from high-quality stainless steel on the inside and food-grade ABS plastic on the outside, which gives it excellent insulation properties and durability. It comes with 2 different lids and a spoon, offering versatility and convenience. One lid is a translucent, fully closed lid that prevents leaks, ideal for carrying coffee without spills. The other is a retractable sipping lid that allows drinking without removing the lid, making it practical for travel or office use. The spoon, although included, has been noted by some users as not particularly related to the camera theme and does not seal inside the mug, so it is mostly useful for stirring beverages. The mug holds 13.5 ounces without the lid and 11 ounces with the lid attached, which is a comfortable size for a travel coffee cup. Users have praised the mug's lightweight design, making it easy to hold and carry around. It fits well in car cup holders and is convenient for use at home, the office, or on business trips. Many reviewers have highlighted the mug's realistic appearance, which closely mimics the look of a real camera lens, making it a great conversation starter and a fun gift for anyone passionate about photography. The mug's insulation keeps drinks hot or cold for extended periods, fulfilling the basic expectations of a good thermos. However, some users have pointed out that you cannot use both lids together, which means you have to choose between the realistic lens look or the practical sipping lid when traveling. This limitation can be inconvenient for some, and a suggestion has been made that adding threads to allow both lids to be screwed on simultaneously would improve the design. Cleaning the mug is straightforward, but it is recommended to hand wash only to maintain the quality of the materials. The mug's durability is well regarded, with many users noting that it withstands daily use without issues. The product is also versatile beyond its intended use. Some have used it as a pen holder, coin jar, or even a small vase, which adds to its appeal as a creative item. The mug's novelty factor and clever design make it a standout gift for occasions such as birthdays, Christmas, Mother's Day, Father's Day, or as a unique present for coworkers and friends who love cameras or photography. The overall customer rating is very positive, with a 4.7 out of 5 stars based on over 500 reviews, indicating high satisfaction among buyers. Common praises include the mug's realistic design, insulation performance, and gift appeal. Criticisms mainly focus on the lid usability and the spoon's unclear purpose. In summary, the Camera Lens Coffee Mug by AmsHub is a well-made, fun, and functional travel mug that appeals strongly to photography enthusiasts. It combines practical features like insulation and leak prevention with a unique design that mimics a camera lens, making it both a useful item and a conversation piece. If you are looking for a creative gift for a photographer or want a distinctive coffee mug for yourself, this product is a great choice. We encourage viewers who own this mug to leave their reviews in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is provided in the description to support the channel and make it easy to find this cool gadget.